Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive. Today I'm just going to start up this 996. I just finished doing the IMS bearing on this car. Then I've done the pressure test to make sure there's no more coolant leak anywhere else on the car before I start it up. I've just finished the pressure. So I finished the pressure testing last week, and some reason it was leaking from the hose at the back for the one that goes with the actual oil vapor separator. A full time I put this clamp on the actual coolant hose, so I had to drop everything out just to put a new hose clamp, a proper hose clamp, not this one. So I don't like this ones anyway. I bought them, but I don't think I'll ever use it again. I like the other one, the one that you just like this one here, a proper lock hose clamp. So once you do it up, it just lock and then doesn't move anyway. Okay, but that's yesterday. Pressure test the whole system. There's no leak. It's holding pressure. So today I'm going to start it up. All right, let's see how it goes. Oil pressure is on 5 bar. That's great news. That's good, very good. Alright, as you can see, that was a cold start. Usually the best way to do a check on the car is do a cold start. Obviously there's no I was about to say cigarette. There was no smoke from the actual back, because before there was a bit smoky. A cold start, so I'll do it again one more time. No smoke, sounds good. That's what you want to hear when you finish working on a Porsche. Instant start. None of this hard to start and cranking and all that. So, alright, I was going to fit a little camera inside here because a customer said to me they can't see out. I can't even see out from there. It's actually better on the camera, but when you're actually in real life, you can't see out. You can't even see who's behind you. So the camera's going to sit there. I'll show you in a different video. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.